Hi, y'all. Good morning. I just wanted to bring you an announcement that Miss Brown and I have decided that we are going to postpone starting our new book, Writing Freedom. Now, it is going to be our next book that we're going to read. However, since we only have 2 days left until spring break, we've decided that when we return back to digital learning on April 13th, I just had to look at my calendar, we're going to start Writing Freedom fresh. Um, I think that's a good idea. I have a couple friends who are still trying to catch up with the Seaman book, and it's a very good book. So if you have not gotten caught up on it, I want you to go back and listen to the read alouds. Maybe turn them on while you're cleaning your room, or while you're just hanging out on the couch, or you're laying on your floor, or you're drawing a picture, or you're writing the letter challenge that Mr. Granger has asked you to write in. So we'll start back with our read alouds with Writing Freedom. Like I told you guys before, it's one of my favorite books that we read together, and I'm really looking forward to it. So we will start our read aloud again on April 13th. I miss you guys so much. I don't really have any other words to say other than that. I look forward to hanging out with you on here since this is the way that we have to communicate for the rest of the year. Um, Make sure you share some good news with someone today. All right, guys? Love y'all. I really am proud of the work you're doing. Make sure you get caught up on everything. You get spring break next week. You get the whole week off. And I'll miss checking in with you. But yeah, make everybody feel proud today, guys. Have good integrity. Do the right thing. Be responsible. Make sure that you are wanting to learn because we're not in the classroom right now. So you have to want it yourself. You have to ask questions for yourself. You have to want to do things. Don't get caught up with the freedoms that you have with video games and being on the computer and being lazy and watching TV. And there's a right time and a place for all of those things. It's okay to watch TV. It's okay to play video games. It's okay to get stuck in a book. Um, but don't let that consume your whole day. Don't get caught up in the bad routines. Make sure some of you need to set a schedule for yourself and check off a list. Some of you need to check in with a parent and say, hey, I got this done today. Just wanted to let you know. And some of you just need to check in with your teachers. That's totally fine. But make sure you're working hard. Make sure you're not skipping over stuff. Make sure you feel proud of the work you're doing. Okay? Be responsible. And I'm here for you. Your teachers are here for you. We love you guys, and I look forward to talking with you soon. Bye, y'all.